Hello, my name is JANSON Navarrete, and I'm going to show you how to solve a vertical motion problem. The first thing you need to do is read the information you have on the top. The height of the stone thrown up in the air is modeled by the equation h, which is height, equals to 80t minus 16t squared, where t is the time in seconds since the stone was thrown. So we'll solve, and then we'll read the question for number 1. At what time would the object be located at 96 feet above the ground? Show your work. Well, first thing we do is write the formula. Then we substitute h to the height we have, which is 96. And then you just write everything all over again. Sorry for the inconvenience. And we have to put everything on one side, so it could be like an equation. So it'll be positive 16t squared minus 80t plus 96, 0. Then we can simplify, which we simplify by 4. You get 4t squared minus 20t plus 4, which this would be t squared minus 5t plus 6 to be 24. Then we got a factor, and it'd be minus 3 and negative 2. But you have to make the factors equal 0. So t would equal 3 and t will equal 2. So those are the times that it will hit 96. Then we move on to the second question. After how many seconds did the stone reach the ground? Explain your answer. Well, we write the formula once again. Now we substitute h, height, for 0. We move everything to the left side. We factor everything out. And then we factor it. So we got to get negative 5 and 0, so you can get negative 5t. And negative 5 times 0 equals 0, so that's it. Then you have to make the factors equal 0, so t will equal 5 and t will equal 0. So the ball will hit the ground at 5 seconds, and the ball will be on the ground in 0 seconds. Now, is the maximum height of the object greater than or less than or equal to 96? Explain why. Well, the maximum height is only 1 point, and 96 feet hit 2 points in 3 seconds, and also 2 seconds. So that means that it's not the maximum height. So it has to be less than. So it's less than the maximum height. Then the final step we have to do is graph it. So the ball started at 0. Then the ball also finish the ground at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll use 20 for each interval. So on. So then at 2 seconds it hits 96, So it'll be about right here. And then in 3 seconds, it will hit 96 as well. So about right here as well. Then you graph it. And there you have it. You have your vertical motion question.